Hey guys, today we're gonna try Bullsone Swirl Remover. On the bottle, it stated safely remove like scratches, painted spots, start, and corrosion. But it named a Swirl Remover. That's a little bit misleading, I think. Just my opinion. Let's test it. I'm using the A-Power system with burgundy pad. Spread it and give it a nice pressure. Nice, it's not hard to wipe out. Okay, let's see the result. The right side is much more darker than the left side. It's perfectly remove oxidation and paint stains. But why they name it a swirl remover? I hope this helps. You can check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.